Greetings and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delighted to present the long-awaited 2025 Toyota 4Runner, which boasts a variety of thrilling new features and improvements. Get ready as we begin an exciting exploration to uncover the impressive powers of this SUV monster. Firstly, let us examine its visually striking design. The 2025 4Runner showcases a unique and sturdy visual appeal that seamlessly blends toughness with elegance. Observe the LED headlamps and prominent grille design. Toyota has made substantial enhancements to its internal performance. The 4Runner effortlessly combines functionality with luxury. The cabin is spacious and decorated with premium materials. The 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system functions as a convenient and robust control center. Nevertheless, the 4Runner has attributes that surpass its outward form. This SUV is specifically engineered to conquer all types of terrain, with an advanced four-wheel drive system and outstanding ground clearance. This vehicle is meticulously equipped for off-road trips like never before. The 4Runner exhibits the ability to navigate many terrains including dirt, rocks, and snow. The 2025 4Runner is outfitted with a robust 3.5 liters V6 engine that produces an astounding 295 horsepower and has a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. You are permitted to transport all of your equipment with you throughout your journey. Prioritizing safety is paramount, and Toyota consistently meets these objectives. The 4Runner is equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus package, which encompasses advanced functionalities including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision braking. Peace of mind is a fundamental component that is covered. Now, let's get into the subject of price. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner has a basic price of $42,000, which is deemed competitive within the market. This SUV possesses remarkable power, dependability, and elegance, rendering it a superb financial commitment. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is a vehicle that seamlessly blends strong practicality with modern sophistication, making it perfect for navigating city streets as well as venturing off-road. If you found this review pleasurable, kindly demonstrate your endorsement by providing us with a positive rating, subscribing to our channel, and expressing your opinions on the new 4Runner in the comments section. Until we meet again, may you find pleasure and fulfillment when driving a vehicle. Furthermore, do ensure that you click on the bell symbol in order to obtain continuous updates pertaining to our latest vehicle reviews and articles. Until the subsequent video.